travel through the different mills that were here, that kind of thing. So they have a little worksheet that they do, and they learn how to use grids. It's a grid map, so they're learning grids while they're doing it, answering the questions. And she's doing this with them the whole time.
Okay.
So it's not just, all right, you guys figure it out.
Right.
She's leading them with it.
Right.
All of these bins are basically different activities.
Okay.
Cool.
This is so cool. Right.
Oh,
okay.
Cabin you take with them. And go to Lincoln's Top Hat. All that kind of stuff. So that's Lincoln.
Cool.
Civil War soldier is actually in this truck. But like I said, kids learn everything. Pretty much it is to be a soldier. Show them brogans, just the footwear. Show them about blankets. This is your Civil War poncho.
Okay.
It's how the soldiers would keep them getting wet when they lay down.
Okay.
When marching. Haversack full of goodies, skin plates, silverware. You have
So-
a little sewing kit.
Oh,
in case you
okay.
got holes in your uniform, you need to stitch it back up. They call it a housewife. There'd be little bitty things in here for a lot of the Confederates like to wear their coats around, just to show their pride.
Right.
But it was federal provost law that they could not wear their state buttons on there. So
Gotcha.
if you had a wooden button jacket like this, you could still wear it after the war.
Right.
But if it had metal buttons with the state seal or the Confederate seal, you have to cut them off.
Okay.
Or cover them. So,
Okay, yeah.
fire jacket. Again, they get to try these on. They get to wear the keppies and put them on. Cartridge box. This is where you have your cartridges.
Oh, okay.
See what a Civil War bullet looks like. And then ball. I don't know if she gets as graphic as to what a mini ball can do to you.
Yeah.
She probably doesn't.
Right, yeah. Just kind of keep it at the...
Non-gross level.
Yes.
But yeah, that's a Civil War bullet.
Okay.
Awesome.
Basically, the common soldier.
Yeah.
Well, they're going to fun things. And they learn about the federal uniform, which is blue. And they get to try these things on. And they learn about the different flags.
Okay.
The Confederacy did have a number of different national flags.
Right.
Just different things that they'll learn about the Civil War. Get them started on it.
Yeah.
But that's a long song. But it's a lot of fun because they get to try it on.
Yeah,
And
so
they get to touch these things.
exactly.
Play with these